Hello, little friends! Today we're going to learn numbers from 1 to 10. Let's draw and count together. Hello, this is number 1. 1. This is number 2. 2. This is number 3. 3. This is number 4. 4. This is number 5. 5. This is number 6. 6. This is number 7. 7. This is number 8. 8. This is number 9. 9. This is number 10. 10. Wonderful. You learned numbers 1 to 10. Great job! See you next time. Bye-bye.